Hi everyone, Vanessa here again. For this training, we're going to talk about the client files, the journal, and messages. So in order to get to those screens, we need to go into My Cases, and then, like I said, your clients are going to all be listed here in this table. So you want to click on your client's name, and then we'll go into the Client Files tab. This is what opens up. You come right to the Client File tab. So if I wanted to add a new file to share with my client, I would click Select, and then I would just choose one. PDF is probably going to be your best format because you don't know if your client might have Word or Microsoft Office, or if they have a Mac computer, they're going to have some other things. So PDFs are a safe way to go if at all possible. And then you just click choose, and we can see here is the file that I uploaded. Now, by default, it's uploaded as private. If I want to share this file with my client, I just click this button here, and it asks me, are you sure you want to share this? And click OK. That's it. If you want to edit the file name, you would click here and you could change it. Can't fully see that. And click Save. And now that's changed. If you want to delete the file, you just click Delete. It asks, are you sure? Click OK. Super simple. You can always make a file that you've made, that you've shared. You can make that private again by just clicking that same button. Okay. We also have the resources here. These are all the shared resources that we talked about that either Leslie or myself will upload into the software, whether that's websites or PDF documents of articles or studies done, or just different resources for you as counselors to use. And if you find that to be beneficial for your client, you can just, again, same thing like with the Client Files tab, you just click this button, click OK, and now it's shared. Okay, super simple. Okay, the journal. Let's move on to that. So this is a really helpful resource when you have an assignment that you want your counselee to go through. So I already put some in here. Read 1 John 1 3 times this week, and as you do each time, pick one verse that sticks out to you and why. And so, that could be a prompt. You might have something else that has, some other passage in it. That's fine. Let me show you how to do that. So what you want to do is go to this current prompt and type in whatever it is you want. Let's see. Okay, so now this box went gray. I can edit it if I want to change it, or I can actually remove it, which I'm not going to remove that right now. So nothing is going to show up here until your client actually submits a journal entry to the prompt. If your client is done and they've submitted the prompts, they've finished that assignment, and you want to give them another one, you would just click remove and then add your new prompt in here. add prompt. Journal entries, just so you know, are never ever deleted. So once your client enters a response to one of your journal entries, it stays there and it will stay there and it'll just keep filling at the bottom. Okay, pretty simple. It's not, the journal is a really neat feature, and I hope that you will find use for that with your clients. Finally, we have the messages feature. When you want to send your client a message, you just type it in this box. Her name is Jenny. And then click email private message notification. It's asking you to verify that your message is correctly formatted and just click OK. As long as your client has not yet read the message yet, you can edit it. Okay, you can remove it here, you can cancel any changes, or you can update. This instant chat mode is one of those things where you would have to know that your client is actually online and logged into the software in order for this to work. So if you plan to do that, you say, hey, we can't meet this week, but let's instant chat with one another via the software. Feel free to use it. It's all yours. And that concludes this short video training. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Vanessa@springlakechurch.org, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. All right, have a great day.